SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360, and PC. Today we're doing cooking on the grill. This is cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. Hopefully you guys are ready for this. Today's special we're going to cook are basically steak strips or whatever. So if you guys want to enjoy this type of cooking, this is basically one of those type of things where you want to take your time and cooking it. That depends on what the grill gives you and how much you're cooking with this. So let's hopefully come closer and see what we're going to do next. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to go ahead and get everything set up so that when you're ready to cook or whatever, you can actually have everything available for you. Like let's put some gas on this and fire this up. There we go. So let's step closer and see what's going to happen next. We're going to go ahead and put these long ways across this way. And then we're going to let it cook. Come back later to see what certain things may look like, and then we'll go from there. And by the way, guys, let's not forget today, don't forget to go to the store, buy your own merch and stuff like that from my store. It's at Designed by Human / SnakeEyesBP1980. Actually, it's Designed by Human / shop / SnakeEyesBP1980. Hopefully guys be able to get your merch. 25 bucks for your t-shirt and $3 for your sticker, and some other prices like $15 for your mug. Hopefully guys been able to get your merch today if you really want to enjoy, you know, some nice comfortable shirt to wear like this here. Hopefully guys enjoy this, and hopefully you guys be able to buy your merch today if you can. want to get them so that they're the juices of the red, blood out of the meat when you're cooking on the grill. As you can see, some of it is kind of getting to the point where it is seeping into the plate or whatever. But this is a great meal, and you can mix it up with like rice and stuff like that. You can mix it up with anything that you think will be edible with it. And hopefully you guys enjoy the cooking. Do come back and see what I'm going to do next or whatever on Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980 here on the YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Do come back and see me next time. Until then, bye for now.